Howdy, I am Joshua McMillan, and today I'll be showing what I have on my project. I have a little bit of it done. Um, the overall plan is to use computer vision to track people's hands and bodies and poses and whatnot, and use that to make sound. What sounds and how we'll make those sounds is unclear. I don't know. I'll figure that out eventually. But what I do know is that machine vision for tracking people is very easy with Python. And that is mainly because people do it for you. They do the heavy lifting. Right now, we have these two imports, MediaPipe and CV2. MediaPipe is the actual machine vision. It's going to be tracking the things that we want to track. CV2 just captures the webcam image and feeds it to the media pipe. So here we set up the video capture. It captures the current frame, puts it into data and image, then takes the image and converts it to RGB values that the media pipe needs it, feeds it to the media pipe using the pose processing, which I used hands originally, but I think I'm gonna need poses for what I'm envisioning. Um, but so hands is just hands, poses, full body. Um, so then if it sees something, if it sees the landmarks, which are the little dots you'll see, it'll then draw those dots and the connections onto the display that we'll see, and then grabs the coordinates for the left and right wrists. Did a little bit of funky math here that I'll be honest, I asked ChatGPT to do for me. I then drew circles around the wrists to kind of show that we can in fact track the wrists. We'll do something with that later, and then we show the image, and we wait a little bit to kind of just I guess not to make sure our computer doesn't die. And then we break whenever it presses Q, which it doesn't really work. I'll be entirely honest. But anyways, let's get this started. Hey, there I am. I have to deal with my messy room a little bit there. But anyways, so if you see here, here we go. All right, so we got my body, we got my right and left hands, and you can see the dots on the wrists. Those typically aren't there in like the base. We also got my face, which I think it's trying to track like my ear position, my eyes, my nose, my mouth. All right, I'm gonna put it down a little bit more, and you might actually be able to see I also have feet. So it's really cool, and it's incredibly easy that we could do this with only what, how many, 40 lines of code less. um but yeah, so it's really neat what we're able to do. And I think I'll be able to use this for some pretty cool stuff. I might get rid of the wireframes and just have the dots at the hands and make people feel cool. But yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna spam Q until it quits. There we go.